Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're taking a close look at the best Forte Tonic Growth Bulb, the perfect addition for your indoor garden or hydroponic setup. If you're a plant lover or gardener looking for a reliable grow light, this is one that can make a significant difference in your plant's growth. The best Forte Tonic Growth Bulb, designed by Feit, is a full-spectrum LED grow light that promises to help your plants thrive with less energy. It's the ideal solution to replace traditional greenhouse lights, giving your plants the energy they need while using far less electricity. What's even better is that it's suitable for various growing environments, whether you're working with a hydroponic system, indoor gardening, or greenhouse. What makes this grow light stand out is its efficiency. The best Forte Tonic Growth Bulb delivers the same light as a 65-watt incandescent bulb but only consumes 9 watts of energy. That's a significant reduction in power usage, helping you save on electricity bills while providing optimal light conditions for your plants. Plus, this bulb emits very little heat, so it won't burn your plants, and it minimizes the need for temperature regulation. This LED bulb is engineered to accelerate all phases of plant growth, from seedlings to fully mature plants. It emits a mix of blue and red light that's crucial for photosynthesis. The blue light is perfect for promoting leafy growth, and the red light encourages flowering and fruiting. It's an essential tool for all stages of growth, ensuring your plants get the right light when they need it most. In addition to its excellent performance, the best Forte Tonic Growth Bulb is built to last. It boasts a lifespan of up to 25,000 hours, which means less maintenance and fewer bulb changes over time. Whether you're using it in your greenhouse, a small indoor garden, or a larger grow operation, you can count on this bulb to provide consistent and long-lasting results. Not only is this bulb energy efficient, but it is also durable and safe. It's OL listed and FCC compliant, so it meets the highest safety standards. Feit has more than 40 years of experience in lighting innovation, ensuring that you're getting a product that's both reliable and cutting edge. So, if you're looking to grow your plants with less energy and more results, the best Forte Tonic Growth Bulb is an excellent choice. With its full spectrum of light, energy efficiency, and long lifespan, it's a must-have for anyone serious about plant growth. Be sure to check it out and give your plants the boost they need to flourish. Thanks for watching today's review of the best Forte Tonic Growth Bulb. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique. For more product reviews and tips on the best tools for your home and garden. Until next time, happy gardening!